Hi and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to prepare your web testing lab using XAMPP and OWASP. XAMPP is a local Apache server which comes along with PHP, MySQL and a bunch of other good stuff. Basically allows you to run a web server on your local machine. And OWASP is a free open source vulnerable web application designed for beginners to learn web application security and hacking. So let's go ahead and download these applications by going to sourceforge.net and search for XAMPP and click the download button. I already downloaded the program, so I will skip ahead. But don't worry because the installation is very basic. Once done with the installation, open the program and start Apache web server and the MySQL database. Now you need to go to XAMPP directory and look for htdocs directory. That's where OWASP web application is going to be installed. To download the vulnerable web application, search for OWASP and select the version, and then download the zip file. So again, I will skip ahead. After the download has finished, extract the zip file and copy all the files to XAMPP htdocs directory. Now open your browser and go to 127.0.0.1. You may need to reset the database by clicking Reset the DB link if there is a database error. So when you get into the system, there is a menu on the left where you can see different types of attacks like SQL injection, cross-site scripting and many more. But I will cover these attacks in another tutorial. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.